Welcome back to new video guys. Mini plastic animal toys for kids. Cartoon tiger, cow, giraffe, black color buffalo, horse, tiger, goat, lion, camels, snake, spinosaurus, zebra, T-Rex, rhinoceros, jungle bull, sheep, shark, T-Rex, fox, spider, horse, zebra, kangaroo, gorilla, crab, rabbit, Godzilla, roosters, cockroach, giraffe, crocodile, T-Rex, raptosaurs, dinosaurs, elephant, Godzilla, duck, leopards, sheep, lobsters, tortoise, deer, panda, cat, horse, cat, hippopotamus, dog, jungle bull, donkey, wild lion, white bear, cat, lion, panda, sheep, raptosaurs, camel, leopards, elephant, spinosaurs, white bear, dolphins, cow, kangaroo, goose, goat, dog, buffalo, dinosaurs, hen, dinosaurs, hen, buffalo, horse. Mini toys for kids cartoon, horse, crab.